Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can sign up and get started for a Dex-Trade account. So in order to do that, you can go to Dex-Trade.com directly using a secure web browser, or you can also open up your Dex-Trade mobile application on your mobile device. Now once you are inside the interface, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, click on Sign Up in order to start up the sign up process. To create an account, you will need to go ahead and type in a valid email address that you have an access to. Once done, head over to the password field and create a strong and secure password to protect your account. While creating your password, make sure these criteria in the pop-up are included. Once you are done creating your account, tap on this box right underneath where it says, "By continuing, I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy." If you want to receive notification about marketing promotions and updates, you can also check on the next box. You can uncheck the box if you don't want to receive them, and finally click on Create Account. Now, you will need to verify your email address. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox where you will receive Dex-Trade email. Tap it open and copy the PIN code that you received. Get back to Dex-Trade app and paste in the email that you received, which will then verify your email address. Now you will be prompted to log into your account. Enter your email address in the first tab and head over to the password field and type in your password that you previously created. Finally, click Login, and that way you will be able to create a new account for Dex-Trade. Once you're inside the home page, go to the very top of the screen where you will be able to see Verify Enabled to FA for bonuses. Tap on it, and then inside the verification tab, you will need to verify basic KYC or advanced KYC depending upon your need. Tap the verify button and follow through the prompts in order to complete your KYC verification. This will be helpful. Completing your KYC verification will be helpful in larger withdrawals. After completing your KYC, you are all set to deposit funds and start trading on Dex-Trade. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.